This is Samsung Galaxy M15, and today I would like to show how you can fix hacked system problems on this device. So if you suspect that your system, your phone has gotten hacked or is in any shape or form compromised, you gotta start by launching the Play Store, opening the Play Protect, and running the Play Protect scan. Then what I would also recommend that you perform or run another alternative security or antivirus scan using any or some of the third-party solutions. If you have any antivirus app in mind that you prefer using, just go for it. If you don't, you can just follow me and install the Avast application from your Google Play Store, and I do not have the internet connection set up. Anyway, just find the app that is named Avast and use it to run the antivirus check or antivirus scan of your phone. Yep, so that's what this app looks like. Get it installed and, well, apply it. Now, let me give you a few tips on how to prevent those issues from occurring at the first place in the future. So I recommend that you go into settings, then enter the device care category, then go into app protection and turn it on. Now you can also perform its app protection scan and see if it will come back to you with any threats or malware detected. And if it will also help you to get rid of them once the scan is concluded, of course. Anyway, the last tip that I have for you guys is that you look into the device administrators or the apps that have the device admin access or permission. Here it is, device admin apps. And if you see any suspicious app that has this permission active, not only should you deactivate the permission, so let's pretend this app looks suspicious, even though it isn't, but still. So deactivate this access or deactivate this permission here, and then uninstall such app right away. In order to uninstall the app on this phone, all that you gotta do is to enter the apps category of settings, and then just find this app on this list, like for example this one, and get it uninstalled. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.